Hi, hello guys, 𝙬𝙧𝙚𝙧 here. In this tutorial I will teach you how to create this awesome oval animation just in PowerPoint as usual. So let me preview this animation and you will see what I mean. As you can see, there are some ovals, 5 ovals, and they are just shrinking. So in my opinion it looks quite interesting, and yeah, so let's get started. So first of all, you need to create a new slide. So right click new slide. Right now we need to add these 5 ovals. So let's start with the first one. So go to the insert, shapes, and here you have an oval. Of course, when you're drawing your oval, this is just an oval, but let's say I would like it to be perfect oval, so I need to be pressing Shift key. As you can see right now, everything is fine. Alright, so this is our first oval. We can position it to the middle and to the center. So go to the shape format, align center, as you can see center, and align middle. Alright, right now we will need some copies of this oval. So yeah, so you need to select Ctrl and D. As you can see, I have a copy. So let's change this. Let's change the color. Of course, also let's change the size, increase it a little bit. Right click, send to back, and position it to the middle. Alright, the next copy, the same process. That's quite easy, as you can see. And of course, we will change these colors in a moment. Alright, let me 1, 2, 3, 4, alright, 5 ovals. So we need some more. Alright. And of course, you need to remember to align all of those ovals to the middle and to the center. And of course to send to back. Alright, let's preview the size of those ovals. I think this one could be bigger. Yeah, I think we can increase them a little bit. Let's preview that. Well, right now I think everything is fine. Alright, so now we need to change the color. So select the first one, go to the shape format, shape fill, and here you have an eyedropper, so click on it and we will pick this color. The same with this one. The third one. That's quite easy, as you can see. And the last one, really dark green. Alright, so let's preview that. As you can see, everything is fine, but there is no animation, right? So you need to select all of those ovals, go to the animations tab, and you can open animation pane, so just click on it. Now we can click here, this drop down arrow, and as you can see, all animations pop up. So we need to select this one, grow shrink. Alright, as you can see, all of the ovals, the animation has been added. So, but we would like to change some things about this animation. So click on this drop down arrow, effect options, and here, size, we would like 120%. And yeah, basically here, this is something. And well, actually, if you would like to set any percentage, you need to type your percentage. Now you need to click enter and only then OK. But we will also add smooth start and smooth end and auto reverse. So all of those ovals will be growing but then shrinking. So auto reverse and click OK. Also we need to add some delay. So here 0.1, here 0.2, 0.3 and 0.4. Alright, let's preview it. Yeah, well, now it looks quite interesting, but we also need to change the duration of this animation, so let me check it. This is, well, actually duration 2 seconds. So alright, so everything basically is fine. So let's preview it on full screen. As you can see, nothing happens, but if I click the first time, as you can see, this animation is playing, but only one time. So we need to once more select all of those animations, go here, this drop down arrow, effect options, timing, and here you have repeat. So click on it and until end of slide. And now let's preview it. As you can see, this animation is playing and it will end only when there will be end of the slide. So as you can see, this is repeated many times. There is also some cool modifications that you can make. For instance, to add this shadow, I will show you what I mean. So let's duplicate this slide, Ctrl D, select all of those ovals, and here you have shadow, and of course you can change the color, for instance to black, distance to 0, transparency I would say maybe 60, and let's change blur to 30 points. Alright, let's preview it. As you can see, there is some subtle shadow, and you can take the version that you want, right? But there is also the third modification that you can create, and this is really awesome. So basically you will need a photo. Let me take this photo. Alright, so basically, like I said before, you need a photo. So as you can see, I have already inserted a photo, and I have inserted this photo as background. So as you can see, I cannot select it right here. I cannot select this photo because this is just a background. So you need to also insert those ovals, and basically right now you need to not to select the color of these ovals. You need to click here, slide background fill. So right, just click it, and as you can see, all of those ovals, they have been filled with the background, so with the photo. So let's preview it. As you can see, it looks really interesting and like it was really advanced trick, but actually I managed to create this animation in about 3, 4, 5 minutes. So this is not so hard. Alright guys, so I think you liked this video. Like I said before, there are some variations of this animation, so you can create just a color with shadow, and of course the photo. In my opinion, the photo is the best one because it looks really interesting, right? And this is also cool that this animation is repeated to the end of slide. So as you can see, this animation is playing and playing. It will never end, only if I change the slide. Alright guys, so please subscribe to the channel, because then you will not miss out any of my future videos about PowerPoint and presentation design. If you have any questions, just post a comment and I will make sure to respond to you quickly, really quickly. And of course, if you liked this video, you can publish a like. And basically that was everything that I wanted to share with you. So thank you guys for watching, have a great day and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.